As one of South Africa's biggest suppliers of new, used and reconditioned parts for cruisers and Toyota four-wheel drives, N1 4x4 ensures your satisfaction. We have a passion for 4x4s that is matched only by our commitment to customer service. Whether you're in it for the merchandise, specific parts or vehicles, N1 4x4 will ensure your satisfaction. Our collection of parts meets manufacturer specifications and are of the highest quality. They can be ordered directly from us. In our shop or out of reach? No problem. You can even make orders remotely, and we will have them delivered. Our selection of original parts can be ordered for replacements for your vehicle's body, its engine, electrical systems, and powertrain. We also stock specialized service kits for your DIY needs. It's not always practical to get something new, we know, which is why N1 4x4 trades in used parts as well. We have a massive selection of used cruiser and Toyota four-wheel drive parts available for when you're in a pinch. And remember, even with our used and refurbished parts, you can order them remotely and have them couriered to you. Speaking of refurbishments, we also offer deals on refurbished vehicle parts done right here in our own workshop. This is also where we complete our custom builds, from mining machines and game viewers right through to custom races. Looking for new, used or refurbished vehicle parts? Contact a representative from N1 4x4 today. Pay us a visit or take a look at our website for additional details on our offers.